Hey everybody, happy Friday. How are you? The weekend is finally here. And it's a beautiful day here in Chicago. Maybe a little cloudy, but not snowing, not raining, not sleeting, nothing else. So it's a good Friday. Thought I'd come on here real quick. I've had a busy couple of days actually. And Friday is my day of correspondence and different things and marketing for my lecture stuff. But it's also cleaning time. So I clean my apartment. It takes me about an hour and a half. And that's about it. So everything's good. But firstly, other than that, happy Groundhog's Day. And if you don't know much about Groundhog's Day, you can go on the web and search that, of course. But the groundhog did not see his shadow today. So what that means is that we're going to have an early spring. So, and I have been to Puxatony, where Puxatony Phil is at. I had a lecture in Pennsylvania years ago, and I actually drove about an hour before I had my flight out of Pennsylvania to go see where the groundhog did his presenting. It was out in the middle of kind of nowhere from the city limits. You could walk on the stage and do everything. So there are pictures on my Facebook page. You're on Facebook, add me. You can see what I added today. It's kind of interesting. Other than that, I want to share with you coming up. So in the video today, I want to talk about this new place on Clark Street. So it's 2558 North Clark. I guess that would be known as East Lakeview. It's on the cusp, I think. But it's called the Epic Snack Shack. And I've been there a couple of times. I got a little cheat sheet note here I'm looking at. But they have chocolates and snacks and all sorts of stuff internationally from all over the world. It's been open for just about 2 months. You gotta go. You gotta go check this place out. So if you're from another country and living here, they have the snack for you, probably from your home country. And if not, you can try a bunch of stuff out. The only thing I was a little bummed they didn't have flake chocolate, which I like from England. They've had it and it sells out right away, which makes a lot of sense because it's good stuff. So anyway, you're going to see that as the next video goes on, but I want to wish you a great Friday. Check out Snack Shack. I'm not getting any kind of anything plus or endorsements or anything from them. I just thought that was a cool place to go visit and a great place to showcase on my blog today. So be kind, be wonderful, have a great day, be positive in all you do. Get out and do something today, but include people with you. That's the best part. So have a good one. Subscribe, like, and share, of course. And let me know how you're doing in the comment section. I would love to check in with you. And if you got a place you'd like me to check out, let me know that too. I would love that. And from those of you that are watching outside of Chicago, hello. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Much love to you. Oh yeah, this is my shameless plug. This is my GregRBaird Speaks t-shirt. And this is the prototype. The new one, which you can find if you're interested, send me a little comment. There is a link on a shop that I have, but it has a microphone here, so it's a little bit different. But it's a good shirt, and I like soft cotton too. I don't like that hard, crusty stuff when it's washed. All right, I gotta go. I'll see you soon. Enjoy the rest of the video.